Hi everyone, I am Avdesh God. Welcome to this course, Business Intelligence for Dummies. This course will walk you through the fundamentals of business intelligence to have a thorough understanding right from scratch. In this section, we will learn about the history and evolution of business intelligence, how it started initially and how has it evolved over time to bring forward the real-time and relevant data-driven insights to further provide an edge in this competitive business environment. We will learn about the importance of business intelligence and what does it take to become a BI developer. Well, let's get started. In this video, we will understand business intelligence and what it is in a nutshell. Business intelligence combines business analytics, data mining, data visualization, data tools, and infrastructure as well, along with the best practices to help the organization take the data driven decisions. In practice, you know you have got modern business intelligence when you have a comprehensive view of your organization's data. You use that data to derive changes, eliminate inefficiencies, and quickly adapt to the market or supply changes. Well, it's quite important to note that this is a very modern definition of business intelligence. Traditional business intelligence originally emerged in 1960s, and that too as a system of sharing information across organizations. It further developed in 1980s alongside computer models. This was for the discussion making and turning data into insights. It further developed in 1980s alongside computer models for decision making and turning data into insights before becoming specific offering from BI teams with IT reliant service solutions, business users, and finally, speed to insight. Much more than a specific thing, business intelligence is rather an umbrella term that covers the process and methods of collecting, storing, and analyzing data from business organizations. Over the past few years, business intelligence has really evolved to include more processes and activities to help improve the business performance. Let's discuss some of these one by one. To start off with, in data mining, we use databases, statistics, and analysis to uncover trends in large datasets. Whereas, on the other hand, reporting is sharing your analysis and insights with the stakeholders so that they draw conclusions and take data driven decisions out of the analysis that you have performed. It also includes bringing insights out of data which were sort of unseen in case of the raw data. Descriptive analytics means using preliminary data to analyze and find out what has happened. Moving down the line, statistical analysis means taking the results from the descriptive analysis, which we have already done, and after that, further exploring the data using statistical techniques such as how this trend has happened. Moreover, why this trend has happened. Querying is also a pretty nice technique wherein we ask the data specific questions and pull answers from the dataset. After all these efforts in bringing out the right insights from the data, presenting the same in the most efficient manner also plays a vital role. And here comes data visualization into practice. Turning your data analysis into a visual representation, such as charts and graphs, to easily consume these findings can be termed as data visualization. Furthermore, exploring the data through visual storytelling to communicate these insights on the fly is termed as visual analysis. And last but not the least, compiling multiple data sources, identifying the dimensions and measures, and preparing it for the data analysis. That is the very first step whenever we start with any analysis process is termed as data preparation. In a nutshell, business intelligence can help companies to take better decisions by showing and presenting the historic data within their business context. Analysts can leverage BI to provide performance and competitors benchmark to make organizations run smoother and more efficiently. In the next video, we will talk about the history of business intelligence.